guys, welcome back to High Speed Mining. Today I got a little update about the mining fund. You can see it. We start getting rid of this one. I'm not gonna use those. So we've been moving slowly to silver cases. I got third one video coming in on the video channel, so you're gonna be able to see that one. This one right here, I did something different. You guys are gonna be able to see it. Or I don't know if you can see the red line on that, but this silver case it's got speed on the fans, so I got something to be able to control the fans. That's why you guys heard that noise. You guys can see those right there. This one, so we grow it up to 5. We're gonna grow to one more. We're gonna be able to 6, and so far all the way up to 48 graphic cards. This is the older mining rig having it. That's this one, the P106 90, 3 GB and 6 GB on the bottom. They all doing auto link. They're not doing Ethereum class and all that stuff, so they're all doing what they gotta do. They're doing ergo true to 9 hash, so I'm getting paid on Bitcoin, so that's what I'm doing that one. This is my 5600 stick rig. They don't use no fan or anything. You can see I got the fans over there and stuff. You guys gonna feel the knock at the door. It's gonna close. That was the door. This is my 570 rig. All this is 574 gig. And the first rig over here is a mixed one between 1660 Super and 2060. So we got inside this one 1660, and we got 1660 and 22060 and 160 Super. Sorry, TI. The battery rig is gonna be between 570 and 580. And 470. They're all 8 GB cards, so they're all doing Ethereum 229 hash. This one is doing ergo 229 hash, and this one is doing Ethereum 229 hash. This spread rig right here, they are around 700 mega hash. Around 650 to 680 mega hash on 9 hash. So that's what I'm keeping it. Doing everything to 9 hash, so that way I don't have to get multiple wallets and keep doing it. So if you own this rig, mine Ethereum, guys, I'll be doing Ethereum by itself and just cashing it out like that. But like I say, I still got the AC over there, still running. That's gonna be the R3 Plus. I got the R3 Plus when they was about $60, so the R3 Plus pay 100 times itself. So I'm just gonna keep it into Arcane. I make more money out of that one, so I'm not selling it. The same with this one. As soon as it's going out now, we're not making no more money, so we just get rid of them. You can see I'm still not cleaning this section. I gotta get rid of this stuff. That's why you guys see in my last video I tried to build a mining shed, but I get into some issue, didn't ask question, and guess what? I can build the other mining, the other shed, so what I can put all this storage stuff. And what we're gonna have to do is doing addition to that one on the side, so we be able to do what we need to be done. Like I say in all the videos too, in one of my other unboxing, we're gonna separate all the network system from the house, and we're gonna have everything to separate routing and stuff like that, running all this right here. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll be seeing you to the next one. Also, if you enjoyed my video, this content keep coming back to the channel. I want to see people keep watching it, and thank you for watching. I'll see you to the next one.